heading into Cincinnati. I'm going on north on I-75. Actually coming back from Tennessee, but this is usually the way they go if you're coming back from some of the places in Florida or basically anywhere you go south that's not too far east. You'll leave Ohio or come back into Ohio on 75, I-75. But going in, we're on a steep downgrade here for about 2 miles. It's about how long it lasts. But this is probably one of the most scenic, beautiful city skylines traveling is coming back into Cincinnati from the south. Hopefully we can get a good view of it, but traffic's pretty backed up. I don't know if they got construction up here or what, but just going slow. It hasn't been stopped much. If you come through Cincinnati from the other direction, you don't really see the city as good as this way. Like right now we're in Covington, Kentucky. A lot of hills. And then of course we're going to cross the Ohio River going into Cincinnati. Now normally when I go, I take 75 all the way north. Today I'm going to take 75. Well, right now we're on 71, 75. Combined. It's going to split off once you get across the bridge going into Ohio. And today I'm going to be taking the 71, I-71 north. And there's Cincinnati. I said, obviously one of the most beautiful skylines coming into the city from this direction. I said maybe the other one that I think is probably better than this, that I haven't been to but a couple times, is driving into Pittsburgh. Coming out of the tunnel, right to the rivers, the skyline in Pittsburgh. On a sunny day, people out in boats and stuff in the rivers. That's beautiful. But Cincinnati's beautiful like this, even at nighttime. But I mean, look at that. That's just, that's picture perfect right there coming in. I don't know what you think about Cincinnati, but that's a beautiful skyline coming from this direction. Been a long drive. I've been on the road about, 7 hours now today. So, happy to be getting back into Ohio. But that was it. That was the most beautiful part of Cincinnati to me. I guess I keep saying that, but it really is to me. If you know of other beautiful, skylines, I don't know about, leave them in the comments and let me know. And now we're coming up onto the bridge for crossing over the Ohio River, and I got to try to get over. Onto 71. I said I'm used to going up 75. Today's different. But now we're crossing the Ohio River. On the right, you're going to see the baseball stadium and the football stadium and the Bengals indoor practice facility. Hopefully you can see it. Right here on the other side of the river. I'm just taking my time to hopefully get a good view of this. We're in the right lanes for 71, so we're good. And right now we're crossing the Ohio River. And the big white dome right here on the right Bank Center to the right. Hard Rock Casino is up here somewhere off of this road to the left, I think. Might have passed it already. And a tunnel. I think it's clear driving. Having a bad day up here. Well, maybe just broke down, but that's still having a bad day. Billboard for the Mega Millions. I'm going to be expecting 1.55 billion on Tuesday night, which is, I think, the record for the Mega Millions. Not the record for the Powerball, but the Mega Millions, but the record for just the Mega Millions is going to be broke Tuesday. Sure would be nice to win that. It's just amazing that out of all the tickets bought, that none of them match. I mean, it's like, how can that many people buy tickets and it go that many weeks with all these tickets being bought and they're not matching them? It's just unreal. And now we're getting ready to go out of Cincinnati on 71 North, heading this way to Columbus. A little bit further out this way would be, Mason, Ohio, where Kings Island Amusement Park is. It's a pretty neat place to go in Ohio. Ohio has really good amusement parks. And a lot of professional sports teams. But that's your drive through Cincinnati. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, as always. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you really like my content, go ahead and subscribe, and you get to see what anything I come up with. But as always, be nice, and again, thanks for watching.